This video demonstrates the installation of Chrony on Ubuntu server operating system for clock synchronization between computers connected over a network. Network Time Protocol, NTP, is a protocol used to synchronize computer clock times in a network. Chrony is an implementation of NTP protocol. To install Chrony, type apt install Chrony. Enter Y to continue. Now the installation files are getting downloaded from Ubuntu Archive. The files are being unpacked and installed. Chrony configuration file is being created. The Chrony configuration file is located in etc/chrony/chrony.conf. Include the command server. NTP server. I bust in chrony.conf file to synchronize the time of controller node via a pool of public servers. I bust option will speed up time sync slightly. Save the modification and then restart the Chrony service. The command to restart is service Chrony restart. To verify the NTP synchronization run, Chrony C sources command. The IP address bar host name indicate the NTP servers. The star indicate the server to which the NTP service is currently synchronized.